Hey guys, welcome back to my craft room. So today, as you tell by the title, we're going to create a polar bear in a snowstorm card. So I know you guys are going to be like, oh my gosh, it's way too early to think about Christmas, but you gotta start your Christmas cards early. Okay, so we are going to start with this one, because I think it's going to turn out so cute. You guys know I have this huge fascination and like love for any bears. So I think we can just go ahead and go into our card base. So, you know, I'm thinking we should probably do a landscape. Kind of make it like a scene card. So we're going to do 5.5 on just some plain white cardstock. And then we're also going to want a mat. So we are going to cut this at 4 inches by 5.25. And that's going to give us a really great mat. Get rid of all these extra pieces here. Now you can either, normally I would just take my card base and fold it like this, and if you have a bone folder, you can just bone fold it down, but I think today we're going to go ahead and actually get out the scoring board. We don't generally use it that often, but because this is a 110-pound cardstock, I am going to go ahead and score it at 4.25 with my tool, with my board, just to make sure I get a very crisp line. Since we're starting on Christmas cards early, I think we can go ahead and, you know, take our time with it and make sure we have a good scoring. This can go to like someone who I know will keep their card and won't just throw it away. Alright, so now for the awesome part. We have our card base, and then we can go ahead and put our mat on. Now, I don't know about you, but I think a polar bear in a snowstorm would be just adorable. What do you guys think? So there is our polar bear in a snowstorm. I think it turned out adorable. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you enjoyed the cuteness of the polar bear, you know, just kind of getting stuck in that snowstorm. Oh, I can just imagine it. He needs a little sweater. Alright guys, I hope you're having a crazy day. Good crazy, not bad crazy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!